Okay, remember yesterday got to the airport and tire was flat? Well, luckily I have this little kit here with the things that we bought some time ago. So that's what I'm going to do. Well, let me show you where the culprit is. See the screw? Yeah, that's going to come out and then I'll plug it up. Luckily, of course, I have a compressor. Pump it up. See if it stays, and then I'll have to change the tire on the car. So that's first thing Sunday morning project. Yeah, that's one sizable screw. I don't know where I would have picked up that screw that size that got into the tire, but it's a good size one. Alright, I plugged the tire, I re-inflated it, and now I'm going to wait a little bit and make sure all is well before I switch the tire, meaning it keeps its pressure, and then I'll put it on the car and hope for the best.
Just believe in magic, and that love is kind of madness. The chemical, the animal. I would do just anything. Oh, I would do everything. Put your hands on the waistline. We don't gotta act polite. Promise me you'll lose control. Don't you ever let go now.
Boat's unloaded and going back. And there was 2 trailer loads of palm trees, so I assume those are going back to Nassau too. I'm gonna guess they were full-size palm trees, probably in the $2,000 a piece, probably about $40,000 worth of palm trees on there. It's not looking particularly good. Well, I don't know. You can never tell. That can stay out there, or it can be in here in no time and we're done walking. Well, beach walk didn't happen. I don't know, maybe later. We got to the edge and it started raining and we said, okay, wind's blowing this way, that's coming this way. Not happening right now. Okay, this is the view towards the other side. It's been really dry here for months, so it doesn't bother me if it's going to rain. Hope it rains hard. Free car wash. But plants need it, grass needs it, I'm sure cisterns need it, so the rain would be welcome. Yep, this is attempt number 2. Didn't actually rain the last time. I mean, it rained, but then it was done. So we could have actually gone, but that's all right. I was doing some other things this afternoon.
Darling, you are haunting me. And if you are the devil, babe, I swear I'll sin forever. Your touch is just so riveting. I would do just anything. Oh, I would do everything.